Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. So children, previous class we have discussed about the animals. Wild animal, domestic animals, birds, insects. So these are all the things we have discussed in the previous class. So let me revise all those things one more time, then I will continue my class. So name some animals live on land. Tell me children, which animals live on land? Yes, sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, then tiger, lion, elephant, etc. Because all the animals are living on land. Name some animals live in water. Name some animals live in water. Tell me children. Yes. Fish. Then octopus. Crab, crocodile, very good. Then turtle, snake, seahorse, starfish, very good. Name some animals which live on land and in water also. Yes, crocodile, frog, snake and turtle. Very good. Name some insects children. Insects. Yes. Bee, housefly, butterfly, then lizard, ant, cockroach, grasshopper, etc. How many legs insects have? Very good. How many? 6 legs insects have and 2 wings. Okay children, how many legs animals have? Very good. Animals have 4 legs. How many legs bird have? Very good. How many? 2 legs. Snake? No legs only. 0 legs. Very good. So which is the largest bird children? Which is the largest bird? Ostrich is the largest bird. Which is the smallest bird? Very good. Hummingbird is the smallest bird. Which animal gives us milk? Which animal gives us milk? Yes, cow, buffalo and goat. What hen gives us? Very good. Egg. Sheep, wool. You will wear the sweater, scarf, all things, no? It is made up of sheep hair only. Very good. So, how many legs centipedes have? Centipede. More than 100. Very good. Our national animal is tiger. Very good. Our national bird? Peacock. So these are all the things children we have discussed in the previous class. Today you are going to learn very interesting and very important lesson, that is all important water. So in this lesson children, you are going to learn how the water is very important to us. What are the uses of water and what is the water pollution. So these things you will learn in this lesson. We know it that all the living things need water. They need air to survive on the birds, insects, tree, plant. So these all the things they depend on water. Yeah, the children. So water is very precious like a diamond. Water is very precious like a diamond. So we should not waste the water. Clear, children? We should not waste the water. Yes. So if there is no water at all, if there is no water on the earth, then what will happen? All living things will die. Within 2 to 3 days, they will die. ಯಾನ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಪೃಥ್ವಿದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರನ್ನ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವ ಜಂತು ಮತ್ತು ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು, ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು, ಗಿಡ ಮರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರೇನಿದೆ, ನೀರು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾನ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವ ಜಂತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ವಾಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿನ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀರದಲ್ಲಿನ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಸೊ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಹೊಲಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ಹೊಲ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೀಡ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. ನೀರು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಆಗೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು. ಯಾನ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಸೊ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Now we'll see how we will use the water. Uses of water. So what are the uses of water, children? When you get up early in the morning, from the morning you need water. Till you go to bed, till the night you will use the water. Numbers of things you will do with the water only. From morning to night, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ರಾತ್ರಿ ತನಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀರು ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? If you got up early in the morning for brush, ನೀವು ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ನೀರು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಬ್ರಷಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವಾಶ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇಸ್, ಮುಖ ತೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು. ಜಳಕ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು. ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಬಾತ್, ಟು ವಾಶ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇಸ್, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬರುವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದ್ ನೀರಿಂದ ಬಾಟಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀರಿ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. When you come to school, you will bring the bottle to drink the water in school. In the washroom, you will use the water. In the toilet room, you will use the water. ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ವಾಶ್ರೂಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ರೂಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೀರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಪಾತ್ರೆ ತೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ನೀರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ your mother will use the water at home. So she also need the water to cook the food, to clean the utensil, to clean the clothes, to clean the floor. ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು. ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಾರ್, ಬೈಕ್, ಯಾವುದ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ವಾಹನಗಳು ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ದ water. If anywhere is fire, to off the fire also you need the water. Jana children? So there is a numbers of uses are there. Numbers of uses are there. You need the water for to brush our teeth, then to wash our face, to take a bath. And the children, to take a bath. gardening, to wash the vehicles. Then for the agriculture, for the plants, for the trees, you need the water. So there is a number of uses are that you will do with water. See children, when you get up, you need the water for brush, to wash your face, then to take a bath, in the school to drink, in washroom, then in toilet room. At home, your mother also needs the water to cook the food, to clean the floor, to give the bath for animals, for the plants, then to wash the cloth. The next is what? If there is a fire, we also need it to put out a fire. Off the fire also, we need a water. Yeah, children, so there is a numbers of uses are there. Yes, children, just now I have shown the images how you will use the water for numbers of things. Not only we here, animals also need the water. Yeah, children, how the animals will use the water? Tell me. Yes, to take a bath, to drink. Animals also need the water. Yeah, children. So, these are the uses of water. I will write here one more. Plants. Plants also need the water. Why the plants need the water? Plants to live. Plants need water to live. Yeah, the children, then animals also need the water. Animals need water. Animals also need the water to drink and bath. To drink and bath. Yeah, children. So, have you seen any time animals are taking the bath? Did you saw? No. Okay, let me show the images how we will use the water for various purposes. Now children, nature gives water. We'll see the uses of water. When you come to school, you will carry the bottle. Just to see here. See the water bottle. See, along with your notebook, textbook and with tiffin box, you will keep the water bottle also. Why you need the water in school? Yes, to drink. If you left your bottle in home only, then what will happen? If you left the water bottle in your home, you will become the, how? See, just to see this boy. You will become the too weak, so thirsty. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Drink clean water only, not a dirty water. At home, water is usually boiled or filtered. That water only you should drink. Always carry water from home. All living things need water to stay alive. See here, human beings, birds, animals, and then plants also need water to alive. To grow the vegetables, plants, we need the water. Plants need water to prepare food. Animals also take bath. Water keeps their bodies clean and cool. Animals drink water. Even some animals lie in water like fish, dolphin. See how they are drinking water? To grow the fruits, we need the water. The uses of water at home: to wash the vegetables, to prepare the food. Then we will use the water for wash our vehicles also, to take a bath. See, we will use the water to wash the vessels also, to wash the vegetables, to take a bath, to wash your hands, for brush, to wash our clothes, to clean the floor, for plants, at school we will use in toilet, to clean the classrooms, in canteen, for drinking, school garden, to off the fire, we will use the water. Yes children, just now I have shown the images of how the water we will use. Not only we, animals, birds, all are using the water to take a bath. Animals use the water to keep clean their body. How we will take a bath to keep clean our body? Yeah, children? Plant need the water to prepare the food. Yes, we need the water to survive on the earth. Yes or no? Whenever you will go outside, so remember children, you have to carry the water bottle from your home only. Should not purchase from outside. Yes, because home water is very clean. We will use the water filter. We will purify the water and drink. Our mother will boil the water. So, better you have to avoid the outside bottles. You have to take the water bottle from your home only children. Whenever you will go in the hotel for lunch or dinner, carry one water bottle. Carry one water bottle. Yes or no? Because we don't know. In the hotel they keep the bottle. It is that water is clean or what? We don't know. So better you carry the one bottle. Always, whenever you will go anywhere. Okay children? And one more thing children, you should not waste the water. You should not waste the water. When you are brushing your home, don't keep the tap on condition only. Should not keep the tap. Tap means what? Nala. Nala is called the tap. So when you are brushing your teeth, should not on the tap. Off it. Use the mug. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. Keep on running water. It is a waste only. Children, so use the mug to clean your face. Don't use the shower to take a bath. Shower. Don't take the shower to take the bath. Use the bucket. Fill the one bucket of water and then you can take a bath. If you use the shower, then what will happen? Till you apply the soap for your whole body, the water is going on. It is going waste only. So instead of using the shower, you should use the bucket for to take a bath. Okay children, when your father is washing or any vehicle, car, bike, when she is washing the car, tell to your father should not use the pipeline, because till he apply the soap, that water is going waste only. To wash the car, to clean the car, to wash the bike or motorcycle, use the bucket only. See, till you apply the soap, till you rub that glass, the water is in bucket only. ನೀವು ಪೈಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೋಪ್ ಕಾರಿಗೆ ಬೈಕಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ತನಕ ಅದು ವಾಟರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಬಕೆಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಅದು ವಾಟರ್ ಬಕೆಟ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೋಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮಗ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಟೆಲ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಫಾದರ್, instead of using the pipes to clean the car, use the bucket. For the gardening also, should not use the pipes, use the buckets. Okay children, to put the water, you should not use the pipes for giving the water for plants. Okay children, here you can see. Yes children, this image you can see this girl is using one like mug only to pour the water for, to give the water for plant. You know, if you use this means the water is not wasting. You know children, so you have to use bucket, should not use the pipeline to give the water for your garden. Okay, so like that numbers of things are there. If you do this, then definitely we will save the water. Okay children, so these are the uses of water. Yes, so you will do no, always you should use the bucket and mug for what? To take a bath, to clean your car, to wash your face, and for your garden use the bucket and mug. How your mother is using the bucket to clean the floor, she will use the pipe? No, she will use the bucket. And the children, when she wash the cloth, she will use the bucket and tub. So like that, you too use the bucket and mug children. Yes. So this is about the uses of water. For brush, wash our face, to take a bath, to drink, for cooking, to clean the floor, wash the clothes, put off the fire. Plants need water to live. Animals also need water to drink and bath. Yes, plants need water to prepare the food. Think children, if you not pour the water in your garden for 2 to 3 days, then what will happen? You can see, ನೀವು 3 ದಿನ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬರೆ ಗಾರ್ಡನಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಅದು ಗಿಡ ಡ್ರೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರೈ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಗಿಡ ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀಡ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ food. Okay children, so whatever I finished in today's class, based on this I will give the homework for your children. This homework you have to write in your notebook. Remember children, we always drink the clean water. We always drink the clean water. Plants need water to live. How we are taking the bath to keep our body clean and neat, like that animals also need the water to drink and to keep their body clean and neat. Okay children? So this homework you have to write in your ABS notebook. Put yes or no. So some sentence I will write, you just use the whether it is correct or wrong. If it is correct, then write the yes. If it is wrong, then write the no. First one. We drink dirty water. Yes. Plants need water to live. Plants need water to live. Correct? Next. Animals need water to drink. Animals need water to drink. We must drink. See here what? We must drink lots of water. Lots of water means what children? At least 8 to 9 glass of water you have to drink daily. ನೀವು 8 ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೀರು ಡೈಲಿ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು. ಅಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ನೀವು ಕುಡಿದಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ದ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ದ ಮುಖ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಲೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ದು ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಆಗೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಲೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ you have to drink how many glass of water children? You should drink 8 to 9 glass of or 8 to 10 glass of water daily. Fifth one. Animals die without water. Okay children, next. Plants do not need water. ಇದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ನೀವು EBS ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಪುಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? ಇದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿ YES ಎಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? ಎನ್ ಓ ನೋ. ನೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು 1 to 6 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. When this video will go, that is date, you should write in your EVS notebook. Write the homework, give the heading, put yes or no. Then start from first. We drink dirty water. Which water you will drink, children? Dirty water? No. Plants need water to live. Then you write here yes or no. One I will tell you. Only one I will do. Okay, children? We drink dirty water? No. Then remaining you should do it yourself. Animals need water to drink. We must drink lots of water. Animals die without water. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀರು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ. The meaning of this sentence is that plants do not need water. So this is the homework for you children. You should write in EVS notebook. Okay children? The same thing I will continue in the next session. Thank you children.